In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Outlook crashing frequently on your Windows PC. If you've been experiencing issues with Outlook crashing unexpectedly, you're not alone. It can be frustrating to deal with such interruptions, especially when you're in the middle of important tasks. Fortunately, there's a straightforward solution you can try right now to resolve this. So, let's dive in. First, we need to access the Start menu on your Windows computer. This is your gateway to adjusting important settings and a crucial step in resolving software issues. Simply click on the Start button, which is usually located at the bottom left of your screen. Once you've opened up the Start menu, you'll want to locate the Settings option. This is typically represented by a gear icon and may appear either in the main Start menu or within a subset of options, depending on your Windows version. Clicking on it will open a new window displaying different categories you can manage. Next, within the Settings window, you'll see a variety of options. What we need to focus on right now is the Apps section. Look for Apps among the listed categories. It'll usually be accompanied by a small icon that resembles a rectangle or window. This section houses all the programs installed on your computer and allows you to manage them effectively. Once you've clicked into Apps, you'll be presented with a list of applications installed on your computer. This list is typically organized alphabetically, making it relatively easy to locate Outlook. As you scroll through this list, find Microsoft Outlook. This is the application we're focusing on today. Choosing the right app is crucial, so double-check to ensure you're selecting Outlook. After finding Outlook, the next course of action is to initiate a repair. You'll notice an option labeled Repair prominently displayed next to the Outlook app. By clicking on this, you're essentially instructing your computer to look for problems and correct them automatically, which can often resolve issues causing frequent crashes. The repair process might take a little time, so it's important to remain patient and allow your system to do its work. Once the repair process is complete, you may want to restart your computer to ensure the changes take full effect. This can help solidify the repairs and make sure that your Outlook runs smoothly in the future. Restarting gives your computer an opportunity to refresh, further optimizing its performance. And there you have it. You've just taken a significant step toward resolving any crashing issues with Microsoft Outlook. By following these steps, you should notice improved stability, allowing you to continue using Outlook without interruptions. If problems persist, consider updating Outlook to the latest version or seeking additional technical support. Remember, keeping your software up to date can prevent many technical issues in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.